Hey guys, I just wanted to share this quick drone clip of this amazing car. This is the 2018 Corvette Grand Sport Carbon 65, which was a special limited edition to celebrate the 65th anniversary of the Corvette. This had a 6-speed manual, might have been 7-speed, manual transmission and racing slick tires. You can see my full video review also here on my YouTube channel. It was just amazing to drive because you needed to use both feet and both hands, and it was so loud and so powerful. It was great. You couldn't even listen to the radio. You couldn't do anything else except drive the car. It was a very visceral experience, like a race car, and I really enjoyed it.